Welcome to this quick guide where I'm going to show you how to enable or disable the extensions menu button in the Microsoft Edge toolbar. And if you get any value out of this video, please click the like button and subscribe to the channel. But to get started with the guide, if you want to show or hide this extensions button that you see here on the Microsoft Edge toolbar, you just have to follow these instructions. And what you'll need to do is open up Microsoft Edge. Then you need to click on these three dots here so you can get to the settings, then go down to settings. Click on settings. Then once you're in the settings, next you need to click on appearance, and then you need to scroll down on the appearance tab until you get to this select which buttons to show on the toolbar section appears. Then here you'll have the extensions button, and you can either choose to show this automatically, never show, or always show. So if you want to hide it, you can just click on never show. If you want to always show it, you can click on always show or show automatically. I'm just going to leave it on the default, which is show automatically, and then I'll have this extensions toolbar up here. So I hope this quick guide's been useful. Please like the video, and I'll see you in the next one.